Hello everybody, I am Sean from Amomii, and in this video I would like to show you the digital assets that come with the Amomii SD. In the packet with your Amomii SD you will find this card, and inside of here are details of how you can access the digital assets. Let's look at what they are. The data sheet starts off with a nice description of the product and then moves on to the technical specifications. We have information about compatibility and connections. Now basically there are two modes. You can use the Amomii SD with an Arduino Uno configured board, and it just plugs directly on with no need for wires. We call this Uno mode, and on the next page it talks about standard mode. So you can actually use the Amomii SD as a regular SD card reader for pretty much any 5-volt microcontroller and just wire it up as shown here. Here it has the topology, and there are actually quick links to the data sheets for all of the different chips used on the board. For example, if you want to know more about the quad buffer IC, you click on this icon to the right, and in a separate window, the data sheet for this will open up. The Getting Started manual again starts with a description of the product, then moves on to talk about how to format your micro SD card if you need to. Here it talks about how to connect it to an Uno, and once it's connected, how to set it up using the Arduino IDE. It walks you through how to upload an example sketch to check that it's working and how to make some changes to it, giving details about how to use the IDE to write information to the SD card and how to read it on your computer, and then how to do it the other way around, how to write information on your computer onto the SD card and read it from the microcontroller using the Arduino IDE. You also have the schematic if you're interested in seeing the wiring of the board itself. And under the schematic, you can see we have code and 3D printables. We'll take a look at them in more detail in separate videos. That's about it for this video. Bye-bye.